College, Bangalore, Department of Botany, would firstly like you all to know that no one stands alone in this global pandemic. We are all together in it as human beings. In the wake of COVID-19 outbreak, when everyone is suffering, even the modern science technologies are falling short to combat the novel coronavirus. In this scenario, we have no other option but to bring back certain traditional methods that can help improve the success rate of modern medicines. Apart from using alcohol-based soaps and sanitizers for washing our hands frequently and maintaining social distance, there are certain measures that we can take up ourselves, even in this time of quarantine, that can help us enhance our immunity and also maintain a proper physical and mental health. And by doing this, we not only decrease the chances of us getting affected by COVID-19, but also comparatively reduce the pressure on our health professionals by not having to crowd in front of hospital OPDs for regular cases of common flu, cough and indigestion problems. And in this, we will also not get exposed to the virus much. The Ministry of Ayush under the Indian government has forwarded certain measures that we can embrace for self-care during this period. My friends have explained some of these measures here, and we hope that all of you will find it easier to practice this regularly.
Creating awareness and boosting self-immunity is the only thing we can do right now. So, why not take a look at our kitchen and find out the things which can help us do so. Take a glass of warm milk, add turmeric to it and drink it once or twice daily. Also, don't forget to keep drinking warm water throughout the day.
Yoga has been an integral part of Indian culture and tradition from the ancient times. Today, when we are fighting the coronavirus and this crisis, it is highly recommended that we practice yoga at a regular basis. Ministry of Ayush has also advised all the citizens to regularly practice meditation for at least 30 minutes.
Bhujangasana is known to ease the symptoms of asthma and respiratory problems. Halasana regulates metabolic rate and boosts our immunity. Setu Bandhana Asana opens the heart and improves blood circulation, increasing energy in the body.
If you want to increase your immunity, you can add spices like turmeric, cumin, coriander and garlic to your food. You can consume Chyawanprash every day. Diabetics can consume the sugar-free Chyawanprash which is available in the market as well. A very useful and effective and easily prepared home remedy is the herbal tea, which includes tulsi, cinnamon, black pepper, dried ginger and raisins. So all of these ingredients are boiled in water for a few minutes. It's filtered and the decoction is consumed once or twice a day. All of these ingredients are highly medicinal in nature. They are antibacterial, antimicrobial, and consuming this on a daily basis will improve our immunity.
There are some of the simple Ayurvedic procedures also that can keep us healthy. Number one is nasal application. For this you need to apply sesame oil or coconut oil in both your nostrils, both in the morning and in the evening. The second one is oil pulling therapy. For this you need to take 1 tablespoon of coconut oil or sesame oil, swish it in your mouth for 2 to 3 minutes, spit it out, followed by warm water rinse. This can be done once or twice a day.
For dry cough or sore throat, steam inhalation of pudina leaves or ajwain seeds can be practiced once per day. Lavang powder mixed with honey or natural sugar can be taken up 2 to 3 times per day. These general measures can be followed to treat dry cough or sore throat. If the symptoms persist, then you will have to visit the doctor.
Andrographis paniculata. It is commonly known as king of bitter or Neelavenga. It is a bitter tasting herb rich in compounds known as andrographolites. These compounds are thought to have anti-inflammatory, antiviral and antioxidant properties. Neelavenga, a herbal decoction made with 9 potent herbs, is meant to help boost immunity and support the body's health.
So, Let us all come together and create awareness of these small measures which can help us fight this pandemic. Stay home, stay safe.
And most importantly, we need to continue following a set of basic rules that have been prescribed by the World Health Organization as safety measures. Our friend has an innovative way to remind you of these rules, and we do hope that you connect to it. Please practice whatever we have highlighted in this video, but do consult your doctor for major health related issues. Thank you.
धीरेना धीरेना वित्तोम तनना धीरेना धीरेना वित्तोम तनना धीरेना धीरेना वित्तोम तनना धीरेना धीरेना उदन धीम तदन धीम तन धीरेना उदन धीम तदन धीम तन धीरेना धीम तनो धनो तनो तधीरेना धीम तनो धनो तनो तधीरेना Tom tanana dhirena dhirena Tom tanana dhirena dhirena Tom tanana dhirena dhirena Tom tanana dhirena dhirena Udana dhim tadana dhim tana dhirena Udana dhim tadana dhim tana dhirena Dhim tano 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 tadhirena